We're going fast now. We're going fast now. Finally. We're going.
Look at the water. Look how fast the water's going. The water, like, look down.
Oh my god. Good.
Stop the ship.
No.
I'll be swimming toward the ship.
I wouldn't. No.
You're so tempted.
You're like, no. I'm gonna tell everyone I did it on accident.
Go to your grandma right now. Be like, hi, give me your iPad. iPod?
What?
Go to your grandma and be like, Tita, I swear I feel like Tita. You're like, she's not. Tita, I dropped my iPod. Oh my god. I can't breathe. I dare you. No. Yeah, I'll pull you. I'll keep on. Yeah, I'll play and say you do it. From here.
No.
Do it right now. Do it. Yeah.
I'm not gonna. Where's the Mackinac Bridge?
Capture.
We're almost there.
You have blonde hair. Look what I just made.
Sweet. Oh my god, an iceberg. Look at
Yeah, sure.
look! Just kidding, it's a boat. It looks like an iceberg on the camera.
Take a picture then. You know that I can take pictures while videotaping? Look, I'm videotaping, right? I want to take that picture. You take another one, and I'm still videotaping.
Well, actually 9 minutes. I did separate videos. I'm gonna put these on YouTube. The Adventures of Fadil and MOODY. The Mackinac City Adventures. Part 1 on the boat, and then the boat intro, and then the boat adventure part 1. And then I'm gonna do a couple while we're biking, and then a couple let's take a couple when we get back, a couple when we're on the boat back. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost there.